I got an invitation for to go to a funeral, but to my great disappointment, sure the bugger didn't die. He then told the manager he was vexed at disappointing us. If he'd apologise, then we might let the thing go by. To make up for disappointing us, he took us in and treated us. He called for pints of porter for a company of 10, until somebody questioned him whose money was he squandering, and the fella got his eyelids put in mourning there and then. The owner of the beer shop, when he saw that we were rioting, he said, I will evict you, but to go we all refused. He whistled up some loafers who were hanging round a corner, and for 10 or 15 minutes we were terribly amused. Out of the beer shop and down the street we staggered when a pack of ragged ruffians started pelting us with mud. Well, we told them for to chuck it, and they said that they were doing so. And after that they hammered us and left us where we stood. The next to come up was an army of Salvationers. They rifled all our pockets till we begged that we'd be saved. And little Mick McGinty got escorted to the station house for asking a policeman if his appetite was shaved. For to pay McGinty's fine, every man whipped off his undershirt, and off to the pawn shop we went with the bloomin' lot. Well, we told them that we only wanted 10 and 6pence on them. There's enough on them already, was the answer that we got. Well, when we got the 10 and 6, we went out to free McGinty, but divil damn the whiskey shop we met upon the way. And of course we couldn't pass it without taking some refreshment, till we squandered every penny of the fine we had to pay. We got a concertina for to keep up the hilarity. Not one of us could play it, though we tried our best and worst. We made enough noise if that was any benefit. We handled it so gently that the bellows they did burst. Well, we got a boiled potato for to mend the concertina when someone hit Maloney with the carcass of a cat. He buckled up his eyebrows and began to read the riot act. He said, I'll put 2 heads upon the duffer who did that. The whiskey bean and all of us, and all the sense went out of us, and for a bit of a rioting, every one of us did prepare. Well, we battered one another till we weren't worth 3 halfpence, and you couldn't see the carpet for the skin and clothes and hair. And I hit McCusker, and McCusker hit some other man, and every man hit any man at whom he had a spite. Crippled Johnny McNamara, who was sitting saying nothing, got a kick that broke his jaw for not indulging in the fight. We fought like Turks till the police separated us. They marched us off to prison, broken noses and black eyes. I got 60 days in prison, and to me it was a lesson that I'll never go to funerals before the bugger dies.